When you are at home, some things are not locked down. Let's see what are they. Why are you worrying? Everything is not locked down. Sunrise is not locked down. Oxygen from air is not locked down. Family time not locked down. Responsibilities are not locked down. Love is not locked down. Friendship is not locked down. Meditation is not locked down. Creativity is not locked down. Prayers are not locked down. Hobby is not locked down. And finally, hopes are not locked down. Do whatever wanted to do, but at home. Mask is better than ventilator. Home is better than ICU. Prevention is better than cure. Wash hands regularly. Avoid touching face and eyes. Maintain social distance.